6:15 here on your Monday morning. The city of brotherly love getting pounded by this nor'easter just as much as pretty much every other city along the eastern seaboard is dealing with this right now. Dangerous winds, coastal flooding, feet of snow being dumped across 7 states that have declared a state of emergency. More than 40 million people are under a blizzard warning this morning, including states like New Jersey, which hasn't seen a statewide warning like this in 30 years. Tens of thousands of customers in the state are without power. Officials are urging people to stay off the roads. New York City has issued a travel ban until noon today for all vehicles, shutting down streets and highways and bridges. New Jersey Transit and the Long Island Railroad are suspending service. Over in Philadelphia, buses are no longer running. The storm paralyzing major airports along the East Coast as well. There's more than 7,000 delays and nearly 3,500 cancellations just yesterday.